Happy Friday, Vlogtober 4th. It is the weekend, baby. I'm just popping in really quick to introduce you to the vlog. I'm getting ready to head to work. Running a little bit late. But I'm cute though. So, don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna have a good day. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So what does the root word osteo mean? It does mean bones. Okay, looking at the picture, I have the bone that's medial, that's highlighted. Can y'all be quiet, please? Okay, so which bone is this? The radius or the ulna? Okay, good. All right, so moving on with the skeletal system. Today we're going to talk about bone development and the difference between the male and the female cranium and the male and female pelvic bone, and then we're going to talk about the different parts of the spinal cord. So osteogenesis is a long fancy term that means bone tissue formation. So this happens around week 8 after a woman has conceived. And if you remember from last class, I told you that we have 206 bones, but who can remind me why a baby has 300? What happens, Jonah?
Because the other bones form together.
They
fuse together.
They fuse together. The cartilage fuses together. So that cartilage gets replaced by bone. And your bones will continue to grow till about early adulthood. So if you're hoping that you're going to get a little taller, you guys have a little hope till about 25 years old. So it is Food Truck Friday, and I'm so glad because I did not bring my lunch today. So I'm gonna go see what they got. Smells like barbecue. Twisted Okie.
Mine make million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. You are now looking at the bestie. Too bad you can't go in the business.
So I got loaded fries. They taste okay. I know I'm not about to eat all of this, especially with me only having now 4 minutes to finish before my next class. And I am done. That's it, no more. Hey guys, so school just ended and I'm getting my stuff together to leave. One of my students stopped by to deliver my cookie dough. So I purchased this cookie dough with her. Band was doing a fundraiser and it just got in. So I'm really excited to try some of these over the weekend. But it reminded me of a TikTok that I did not too long ago about supporting students and their fundraisers and how much they be costing, because this is probably the most costly box of cookie dough that I've ever purchased. So I will definitely be enjoying this box to the fullest. But anyways, I'm gonna pop up the video so y'all can see it. It's funny to me.
How much?
I let it go for about $40.
$40?
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best. daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh,
Hey guys, so it has been the most relaxing Friday evening for me. I have zero complaints. I found a couple of things at Marshall's, a pair of pants and some cute shoes. As a matter of fact, hold on real quick. Let me go find those shoes so I can show you. So I decided to grab these shoes because they look very similar to a pair of Rothy's that I want. And if you know about Rothy's, you know that they are very pricey. And for the time being, these are going to work just fine. So these are the shoes. So these are to wear to work. So they're super cute. They're by a brand called Mia, and I looked them up on Amazon, and on Amazon they cost $40. I only paid $19.99. So super cute shoes, and I just had to snag them for work. So I told you guys in the last vlog, I think, that I've been trying to, or no, the very first, it was either the first or second VLOGTOBER, that I'm looking for cute flats to wear to work. So one more thing before I lay it down for the evening. My friend Amber of Penny Farm Princess published her first cookbook. So if you guys are not familiar, she is the lady that hosts those amazing slumber parties where we have the best fun, and she published her first cookbook, and I'm so proud of her. It has been a labor of love for her and something that she has been trying to get done for quite some time now, and she finally did it. And I received the cookbook today. It is on Amazon, and yay, I cannot wait to try some of her recipes. I will definitely have her linked in my Amazon storefront, so if you want to check out some of her recipes, be sure to check out the Amazon storefront linked below. So I made the garlicky green beans to go with the Texas rub chicken thighs from Just Meats, and I ate it over rice. It was really good. I added my own seasonings, and I added some honey. It was just the right amount of flavor. Added some green onions. It was really good. So the thing I like about Just Meats is that it comes frozen, and they give you a marinade to go with it, and you can prepare it in less than 5 minutes. Of course, it took a little longer for me because I was throwing in this and that to make it my own, but super good, and you guys should definitely check them out. But anyways, we are at the end of this Vlogtober post. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Toodles.